Gusii.
Kigima mwancho murigereria begetaseni kia Ndizi TV no basemera kwane unakobere kugutwara oburigereria borobia nebiro binde ndengo kwarigania asemesa ya mangana magia elinde ngomanye nare yabereka gokorekana korwa chingongo chonsi inyechense asinse mochiche mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook na bakwenda gutobwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital awega sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net Fridah Kerubo nolya kweneke na chivi channel yogiria gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere Sara Momanyi toskato nyegerangu irananda segekege Kerubosio elinde ngomanya mange asenchira yewinge Mancho murigereria yango kwarigani bene ilinde tobeto gusanga aso wamo gocha kabona iga goika omoelio Amayia yebire bigani gotokwechaka kurwa sorgongo rogusii asingo kumenya bina ni gochi nyomba chebete chigo sambwa ase kenyoro ya mukomoni gekano eke kutoka ase wadi ya Magombo county ya Nyamira ayanko bwat kana nebikorwa byo boibi ebyabere bye comment kana ase Chinsa mecho kolengana na Peter Oyugi oyole omorayo nyumba 10 nigo negativna nigega koleki kyabeteke kokorekana ase nkeyemo kubwat kana niga abantu korase nkeyo babete bakoneligwa chombe cyo boibi
Chinyomba bintu mbiri gotigara igo bikogenda gwoka ntori korara nyumba isikotomenyete eng'ombe njingagenda ase ndikire ngagenda ngae ngonya kubekera nikibese ngagenda ngagure ng'ombe kukeroka balikeru risiti ngacha n'eng'ombe yane kere nacha n'eng'ombe yane nabeire netienye ya ngojiko ere 3 kuru January njingakoraki eng'ombe no ere gapo tainye bisete tali andikali ono abantu bakungira n'eng'ombe yeibire
arebesa akagura ng'ombe akareta ngo na kulisi ng'ombe bono onyire ndete nonga chetega iganirisi nimbwate iri aretete
gotoibere kiombe chimbori paka chingoko na matoka kuru mugondo gakogenda paka chingende
kunyakundi njomanye n'eng'ombe yasirete sirito ya Jumatano akara sutu kwergania senjira yugwechanda abotuko bo naliesirete
bono chitimanyiti na asengo kolegasi no nkurusi eng'ombe rindi nachicha naboroki n'eng'ombe ye risiti eri
tufuatirie risiti eri no yo monere tiakareki abugatwe erairanirio mwaka uchi bese chae agore ng'ombe nga simbo ntuntu bwatimang'anande kiagera tokorigia muno yinera akorigia onyone tie yo boibi omanyene era chicharore ng'ombe yae no ira
Gusii ni go bagendete kobekana mo na baigo kwene kebnango twara bale obomo okwana chinga kibabete bakumira na ime ya KICC ime omocho Nairobi nigo omonogeri bo Gusii Geoffrey Mosiria aberega kubolia abarikura sorgongo rwa Gusii kwene kebnango bwatera na bale na baigo kwene kia omolembe chinga kichonsi baigo nigo ababolia kwene kebnango beka bale chitobauti chabo ensemo asekerenga gyokonya egesaku Gusii
Obwate esabate nene ari KICC yave attended na over 5,000 Gusiis who live in Nairobian diaspora abwa story nelio monene nyasaye mbiyamono asato ikiri omutinyo yo we Pasaka abantu baitombale baetera mange amakongu lakini bono wigatonyi kwera ni nyasaye mbiyamono okobato irobo moyo na rere tomera nari byongozi byetu no byarenge omo waziri itoma cyo gunwarenge omo gavana Sakaja nwarenge ne byongozi byonse bya Gusii egendo tukorari na no morembe no bomo. We are calling for unity of Gusii. Abantu baitu bachamo twebori maki abantu baitu baranyora opportunities in government, maki abantu baitu baranyora kigasi, maki abantu baitu baranyore ase bakore biasara batari gusumbuliwa, maki turanyorera abana baitu ki scholarship ki bursaries bende basome turusi obutaka Gusii yaitu. Ekere tugusaba omo president witu atwe kigasi ekere abantu baitu bari divided to lose. So let our leaders basuaro their bride kero muntu nabwate igo yae lakini baranyebeka kind of for the sake of the community.
Chinga kecho boigoni go abarai baenekia okobwatrana ase Gusii linda koenekia na babeire bakwenyorera amabaga yoborai imeye county ya Nairobi. Boigoni go baba kwerera ebitango ebibeirere Gusii botaikerania obokoleri bwaye anene asokorwanirira ebirogo okwana omwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu nigo agokera oborai bwe serikali ya Kenya Kwanza anene ase ogosira Gusii ase ababolia kwenekebuna ngonchirelia bale
boni gengakie yabo Gusii nduri kwera na maega ndobwate chi constituency Ikomi na isano ibirega Nairobi togatwara chi constituency ya chi ward 85 minto mwanya getinga montegerere gotubwate aba MCA as chi constituency ya 85 chi ward 85 aba MCA batano boka egento gekora tokora boigo banyorwo igo nasenga tubwate bitina emoko nenda mwamu muntu mina uchigotenena oyo ndote na kuruma yago mumiga mwate na batane asamo muntu mwawe itoira
tonyare komanyanga Nairobi twatigere ko bacintakana singenjo out of the 17 constituencies ntobu atikero go kende gions ase gabantu baite bako yumba choice right left center, lakini I'm very sure with our super CS bana Machogu guruma hii Nairobi guruma watu wetu wasikike abantu baito baigwekane elinde na into Gusii tutambulike
around yento tayo obogambi kuika Gusii banyore chi MCA more than 15 waikatonyora babunge at least batatu.
Huyu kijana wetu Musiria huyu, you have a jewel in this young man. Yes. Stand with this young man. Kila saa tukiwa na mkutano lazima mambo yenu ije because of him. Always know the position you hold that God has given you is not about you. It is not for you yourself. It is to give hope, kufufua matumaini ya wananchi ambao wanafanyia kazi, na pia lazima uangalie nyumbani.
Aba Gusii gento gotosaria obogengia kenako na kungusana na ntungusana na masindano tayigento tageteno ngakitoko nyore nafasi igonga serikali teyonje narorire ebabwate kubwererie ono naende muruchinga none mbali balenge kando budget ona enere tukakanyete kakinona tubwatia maiso turuchia none 2027
Unenchereye moyo kororobya obosombi asensemo yegetige chindege nigo emirobili yokugalia egetige chindege gya JKA egenderete kwenekia yo no munyakerogo kurwa sensemeli ya Kenya Airports Authority Caleb Kostani ase aligokwa nayo chinga kichogo siolia omorobili omoya wokwenekia ngakira omo Kenya oyorabe kagoikia emizigo ya sensemeli ya JKA yabeire
came up with an idea that will help us improve services at the airport, and it will create employment, and it will make us create revenue for us at as KAA. This is a Kenyan driven initiative. We pray that you expand to the other East African countries and get the support of all the other people that you will need.
You don't need to worry about your luggage. So just tell me, Humphrey, I'm coming, I'll be landing at this time. Please take care of my luggage. So you just come, land, clear immigration, and go to a meeting, Mr. Charles. We will be left behind. We'll get your luggage, clear it through customs, clear it through KA, and
Nechinga ki chiskuru chigendete kwerobelia asogo changa asumutumukomo keigo asikolende aborokiwa korase county ya Baringo basinyirwa asibakogenda chingaki batabwati obomenyo ayankobwatikana no boibi bwetugo na baigo obosagani obwabere bokoenekigwa ase chinsemecho ekyokeirire abaiboli babo gosiria obugima bwabo na baigo abande botama korwa chinka cyabo kolende nigo abaraikora senseme yo baba koboria aborokia banene bechiskuru koenekebuna aborokigwa bongo tigarabale ase chiskuru echo goika banyorire ase bakogenda.
And many students have expressed anxiety because they don't know which homes they are going to, and many of them are requesting to remain in school because of that challenge. And also many parents are calling asking that we retain the students because most of them are not at home. They have been displaced.
I will call upon all the principals in my constituency, those of you who have children whose parents have been displaced or killed by bandits, please, as we close schools this time, host them in your schools. Let them not go.
We are recommending strongly that serious disarmament be done in this across the banditry area. Serious disarmament is going to be undertaken by the government to ensure that we create normalcy.
I want the IG to take this matter seriously. Hatuwezi chafua jina ya rais. Mpaka kila mtu hapa anashangaa rais anakuja anatoa amri kesho bandits. Rais anakuja anatoa amri kesho vita. Rais anakuja anatoa amri kesho MC anauawa.
Unenchereye moyo gokiania emebasokano ase chiparani go ababwatani korwase kyombe gia NTSA babere bakuimukia egetambukiro na boigo gochaka obunyabi ase chipara aboli tukole igoroni go abantereba babete bakubikwa biara kubwatikana nga ntibali kubwatia amachiko ase chipara ekikyaberege koirera abange konyora emebasokano ye chipara na boigo abange wesiria obugima bwabo kulende nigege kulege tindi kyaberege korwegwa gocha ase abantereba kweneke bnanko babale maiso chingaki chobokoleri bwabo.
As we speak now, we are having other campaigns in many parts of this city and even outside Nairobi. We are having a national program whereby we will conducting a number of enforcement campaigns targeting what we call the major risk factors. Drink driving is one of the major risk factors. You might have seen here that many people who are operating these vehicles have been found to have taken alcohol beyond the legal limit in terms of matters.
Serikali nigegendete kubeka emirobile mekiranu ase okoene kebnango sira bale abasaye gwetera chinchira choko egendelia okwana omuwaziri ase chinsemo chechigosori ababu na mwamba chinga kibabu ate chigosori chia Champion Summit abo babete bagukirana ase chinseme cyo bale inseye miaka emerongene nigaberiga gusigeta abasaye koene kebnango chake bale obonjele bwabo oborabe bokubasira soko enikebna ngonyora bale enyele yabo ya kiralitko.
The youth face various challenges in entrepreneurship, such as limited access to financing and business development services. Their innovative spirit drives them to find solutions, particularly through leveraging technology. Governments must therefore create conducive environments for youth to thrive and to foster sustainable economic growth.
Kenya is indeed the land of opportunity, and Pay Angel is here to be a catalyst. We are committed to working alongside Kenyan entrepreneurs, businesses, and individuals to unlock the potential.
Mancho murigerelia korwa soroba tioroni ona ikire omoelio bwa mangana maya asebire biga kolende toska tonyegera gekoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange no bego koleterwa asinchira yobo ikiranu una koletwa sole nere Evelyn Osero na bokwenda gutubwatia asinsemo chichi mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sensemeria YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News asinsemo ya website na bogotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net maikach kamera soko nekebna ebicha na boigelio giria gwikira sole asinchira ya bene nere Sara Momanyi rietera ne Fridah Kerubo yenda gutwara obulgelia borobia emigeta seni kya Ndizi TV.